Are you suffering from tight hip flexors with low back pain? Hi, my name is Annie. Welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a follow-along video on how to strengthen and lengthen your tight hip flexors that causes low back pain and imbalance on your pelvis. So get your mat ready, elastic band and a ball to join me today. Okay, my friends, let's discuss a little bit anatomy about our deep hip flexor muscles, or we call the iliopsoas muscle. So the iliacus starts on the brim of our pelvic bone, the iliac crest, and it combines with the psoas, which starts from your thoracic spine, T12, all the way down to your lumbar spine, L4 level, on the intravertebral body on the lateral aspect, which is the outside area, and it's a long muscle. And then the iliacus is a triangular shape, so it's a fusiform muscle that they combine that inserts on your lesser trochanter of your femur bone. So it's a hip flexor muscle, but it's past 90 degrees when you really feel the activation of your iliopsoas. And it gets really tight if you've been sitting a lot, and it gets really weak. And no matter how much we stretch, if it's weak, it causes an imbalance and causes inflammation on the tendon. If we don't strengthen it, it's just a never-ending cycle of back pain and tightness on your hip flexor muscles. And there's also the psoas minor, which starts on your thoracic T12 also, all the way only to L1. It's longer muscle and inserts on your pubic bone area. So sometimes you find some pain on your hip groin area if you're tight on that muscle as well. So in this program, we're going to target. And if you want to learn more about your iliopsoas, I have a variety of exercises you can check out on the link. A couple of program that you can do for beginners, and this is a follow-along third part progression that I've been uploading here in my YouTube channel. If you're new in my channel and you find value and you want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. So let's start now. So I have the ball. If you don't have a ball, you can utilize a chair for gentle progression. And we're going to wrap this green band around your thigh area. So you can slowly lie down, belly button in, engage your core muscles. So with the bands around your thighs, it helps strengthen it. Place your stomach in, engage your core, hands overhead. So we're going to start bending your right knee first, and then point your hands pointing to the ceiling. So you're already engaging your hip flexor at the same time, your abdominal. Utilizing your hand helps activate more. So you inhale, exhale down. Alternating left and right, and I'm doing same side first to warm up, slow and easy. With your breathing, you pull your belly button in to engage your core muscles. Inhale as you lift, slowly bend your knee. 2 more to go. Last one. Inhale and then exhale. And now we're going to do the opposite side. So bending your left knee and then pointing with your right. So when you do opposite hand and knee, you're targeting your obliques as well. So inhale, exhale down. So right knee and left hand pointing. Inhale as you lift, squeeze your core in. Exhale as you go down. Belly button in and exhale through your mouth. Breath work is so important to engage your core muscles more and to warm up your body more with this gentle Pilates physical therapy to help your hip flexors and overall health. 2 more to go. Last one. Feels so good on your hips. And down. Okay, my friends, now we're going to slowly extend your legs. So after that beautiful warm-up, with your knees lengthened, you're going to feel a little bit stretch already in your hip flexors because you're usually tight in this area. And then we're going to continue same side again. So my right hand and right knee. Keep on going with your breathing. Right hand, right knee. Belly button in. Exhale through your mouth as you go down. Inhale, exhale. 2 more to go. Last one. And blow. Okay, my friends, now we're going to slowly progress, bending and then lowering to the side. So I'm lowering my knee to the side and my hand to the side without twisting my spine, keeping my pelvis level. If you can go further down, that's okay, you can keep it up. Takes time to be flexible and to lengthen. Then left side, slowly lower to the side. Inhale up, exhale down. Belly button in and blow. Feels so good on your hips as you slowly warm up more. Inhale, exhale as you lower to the side. Inhale as you lift up to the center, exhale down. 2 more to go. Last one. And last one on your left. And down. The next one is leg circle with your knee bent to protect your spine. You can fix your band around your thigh. Keep your knees straight, toes pointing to the ceiling. Hands on your hip to support and slow circle clockwise. 10, 9, slow and easy, like a size of a small dish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You might feel shaking already in your thigh and your hip flexor. Now we're going to do reverse. If you need to hold on, you can support more. And as you progress, lengthen more and strengthen your hip flexor without holding your thigh. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's switch it up to the other side. Toes pointing to the ceiling, small circle. 10, 9, 8. You can start clockwise or counterclockwise, whichever you prefer, with your breath work. Now reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And down. Now we're going to do butterfly. You can use an elastic band on your hand to separate your knees and your hands apart. Right now, I don't have a band in my hand for beginners, but as you slowly strengthen more, you can use the band to separate your hands and your knees. So I have the band around my thighs. If you don't have a band yet, that's fine. You can follow along. So butterfly as you separate your knees and hands, squeezing your core in, keeping your back in neutral, which means you're not going to flatten your back like this. You want to do a little bit space between your small of your back and the mat, so you can slide your hand to check it. If you can slide your hand, then that's flattening. And if you're overarching, you can place your forearm already. You don't want the forearm all the way through. You just want a gentle space, just your hand for now. 3 more. 2, last one, and 1. And now we're going to do bridging with your feet apart, knees leveled with your hips, hands pointing to the ceiling as you slowly lift your bottom overhead slowly. So most of my patients with weak hip flexors are also weak on their glutes muscles. And then slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time as you exhale. So inhale up, squeeze your core in, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time and blow. Inhale up, exhale down. Belly button in and blow. Feels so good on your back and your glutes. 2 more to go. Slow and easy as you go down. You're really going to feel your vertebra by vertebra lowering to the mat. Last one. Inhale, lift. Exhale, blow through your mouth. And now we're going to slowly progress with lifting your glutes again. And then from this position, we're going to do a gentle butterfly. You're going to separate your knees apart. Feel the band around your thigh. Open as much as you can. Keeping your stomach in and your glutes tight. Open and then close. 4 more. Feel the burn in your glutes. 3, 2, and 1. And now we're going to utilize the ball. Place it underneath your feet with your knees bent. You're going to slowly extend and bend. So with this ball, it will help activate your core. So lift your shoulders and your hands pointing to the ceiling. As you exhale down, extend fully. Inhale up, double knee bends with the ball. Exhale down. Belly button in, reach and blow through your mouth. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. 4 more. Reach overhead as you extend your knee. Bend and reach. 2 more. Last one. And hold it in this position. Gently extend one leg at a time as much as you can while lifting your shoulders off the mat with your breathing, alternating left and right. If your neck is hurting, you're utilizing your neck muscle. So you can place your hand behind your head to support. Squeeze your core in as you lift, extend, alternating left and right. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower yourself down. Slowly twist one side to stretch your hips to rest a little bit left and right. With your breath work, squeeze your core in as you slowly twist in one side. With your breathing, last one. And down below. And now with the ball, you can also do the bridging, keeping your knees straight for beginners, hands on the mat for support, and slowly lift. Hip thrust or bridging with the ball. Inhale, exhale, down, blow. Feel your core engage. You might feel the ball shaking, that's fine. And try your best to balance. As you lift, squeeze your core in, exhale down, belly button in, and blow. 4 more. Feels so good on your spine, your hip flexors, and your glutes tighten, strengthen. 2 more. Lift and down. Last one. 5, 4. Hold it there. 3, 2, and 1. And now we're going to slowly lie on your side. We're going to do clam shell. So clam shell helps target your glutes. You can rest your head down or forward, and you can progress with your knees bent a little bit 45-degree angle. Clasp your hands together as you slowly lift your hand. So we're gonna, with your hands together, we're gonna open your knee and your hand pointing to the ceiling without twisting your spine and down. So inhale, exhale down. Squeeze your core in. You might feel the burn on your glutes, and you might find one side stronger or weaker. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. I want you to hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slightly lift it past to 90 degrees bend to target your hip flexors as well. And this time we're going to lift your foot and your knee up at the same time. Parallel clam shell, point your hand to the ceiling as much as you can to lift. If your back is twisting, stop. And if it's hurting, stop as well. And then down. Inhale up, exhale down. Feel the burn on your glutes now. If you need to rest, you can pause the video because the band really challenges your muscles. 4 more. Feel the burn. 3, 2, last one. And hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now with your hands extended overhead, you can rest your head on your shoulders. And with your knees straight, the starting point, you're going to slide your heel. And it's okay if the band goes further up. And then extend, elevate your knee up, and then down. And if it's hard to balance, you can place your hand on the mat for support. Slide, kick up, and down. Belly button in, extend, toes pointing to the ceiling. As you go down, toes pointing towards you, and slowly lower it. So slide your heel Extend your knee, pointing the ceiling. Then your knees pointing towards you as you slowly lower. With your breathing and down. 5 more. Feel the burn on your hips now. 3 more. 2 more. And then 1. And now we're going to do reverse heel slide. So this time you're going to lift your leg up first, toes pointing to the ceiling, and then toes pointing you, and then slightly bend your knees all the way through, then slide. Lift, bend, and slide. 8 more. Feel the burn on your hips. And if you can't handle it with the band because it's so challenging, we can remove it and slowly progress until it gets stronger. 2 more. And then last one, I want you to lift it up and hold it there, toes pointing to the ceiling as you do small circle clockwise. Feel the burn more, 10 times. 5 more, like a size of a small dish. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then reverse. And if you can't lift your leg up all the way to 90, that's okay. You can have it lower. 4 more, counterclockwise. 2 and 1 and down. Great job, my friends. Place the band around your ankles with your knees slightly bent to 45 degrees. Now you're going to lift your foot only with your knees together. So as you lift it up, you're targeting your clam shell and muscle area, the glutes, and up and down. So this is reverse clam shell. You're going to lift your foot only and your knees together. 4 more. 3, 2, last one, and 1. I want you to hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, my friends, let's switch it up to the other side. Place the band around your thighs again. And now we're going to do the clam shell with your knees slightly bent to 45 degrees and then slightly open, keeping your feet together. And then hand together in the front as you open your hand and your knee. Pointing to the ceiling, your hand with your breath work. So inhale, exhale down. Belly button in and blow. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. And now 90 degrees bent with your hand together. Knee and foot up, open, and down. Belly button in and blow. Feel the burn on your thigh muscles, especially your glutes medius. Lift and down, feel the burn. 4 more. 3, 2, last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we're going to do extending your knees. We're going to extend your arms as well. The next progression, we're going to slide your heel. You can place your hand here for support if you need to. Then extend all the way through and slowly lower down. So inhale, slide, extend, and down. As you slide, toes pointing to the ceiling as you extend, and then toes pointing you as you lower it down. 7 more. Exhale, don't forget your breath work as you inhale and exhale down. And squeezing your core in to engage your core muscles more. Pulling your navel towards your spine. 2 more. Last one. And then we're going to do reverse, which is the opposite of this movement. You're going to go up first. Toes pointing to the ceiling as you go down. Toes pointing away from you and extend. And extend again. Lift your toes pointing and then away from you, extend. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and then the last one, I want you to hold it up, pointing to the ceiling, knees straight, and then small circle clockwise. Toes pointing away from you, towards the ceiling. 5 more. It's like a size of a small dish. Try not to rock your hips. Hold on to the mat if you need support. And then reverse circle. 10, 9, feel the burn on your glutes medius. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and down. Okay, my friends, now we're going to place this on your ankles area for reverse clam shell with your knees 45-degree angle from your hip, and then lift your foot only and down, keeping your knees together. With your breathing, inhale and exhale. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, last one, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now, my friends, we're going to do some, remove the band. We're going to do some gentle stretching for your hip flexors. So with your knees slightly bent on the lower part, and then slightly reach for your foot, and then extend. If you can, bend your knee for your quads, and then slightly extend for your hip flexors. If you can't do this, you can have someone to stretch you, help you extend and target your hip flexor. So gently pull it. You can use a strap around your foot and extend. And my recommendation is to hold it for 30 seconds, hold, and then back down. For beginners, you can start 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So my recommendation is to do that at least 3 repetitions. Slowly progress to 10. Let's go to the other side to stretch as well. So with your knees slightly bent on the lower part, so switch it up. Reach for your foot and extend. Feel that lovely stretch on your hip flexors and quadriceps muscles. And if you can't reach your heel again on your buttocks, it's okay. You can use a strap to help you, making sure you're not twisting your spine as you extend. Stabilize it with your lower foot, or have someone to help you stretch and reach over, or you can use a strap and hold that for 10 seconds. Hold. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now with the ball, you can also utilize this to stretch the hip flexors as you sit on the ball. If you have good stability and support, slowly lie back, hold on to the ball, to the mat for support, and gently reach over for a gentle wheel pose. So with the wheel pose, you're extending your spine as long as there's no increasing pain. And then keep your feet closer to the ball to stretch your hip flexor muscles, and you can feel it on your abdominal being stretched, and gently go over. Make sure you know how to balance and extend your spine, and you feel it, lovely stretch on your hip flexors as well. And my recommendation is to hold this for 10 seconds, hold for beginners, and then do it 5 repetitions, and then slowly lift yourself up. Make sure you use your abdominal muscles to get up. Now without the ball, you're going to go to your hands and knees for a cool down. So for your hands level with your shoulder, you're going to run for cat and camel. Inhale, squeeze your core in. Exhale out, squeeze your core in as you lift up, arch your spine. Inhale in. You might feel some pressure in your low back area, and that's normal. As you extend, inhale in. We'll do it 8 times only. My recommendation is only 8 repetitions. 4 more. So as you go angry cat, round your shoulder, pull your belly button in, look at your belly button. As you exhale, extend, arch your low back. 2 more to go. Inhale in, exhale out. Last one. Inhale in, exhale out. The next program exercise is bird dog. Extend your right leg and your hand opposite. You might find yourself with difficulty because of weak core, so try to engage your core muscles and slow and easy alternating. So I'm extending my left hand and then my right leg, left and right with my breath work. So inhale, exhale down, belly button in, and blow. 2 more to go. Last one. and down. Okay, my friends, now we're going to target our hip flexor stretching in a lunge position. So one leg forward, knee bent in the lunge. Place your hands on the hips area as you slowly lean forward to target your hip flexor on your right, where is the back leg. And hold that for 10 seconds, hold. And progress by slowly twisting your body towards the right to open your hips more and relax. So lean and then twist. My recommendation is do it 10 times as well. So lean with your breathing, exhale, twist. Last one. And twist. And now switch it up to the other side. Lean on your right, feel the extension, and stretch on your hip flexor on your left. And then I'm twisting my body to the left. And then extend and level with your knee bent. If you're having knee pain, stop as much as you can progress. So lean on your right knee, feel the stretch on your left hip flexor, and then twist towards the left. 2 more to go. Inhale, exhale, last one. Slowly progress to 10 repetitions. And down. Now place your knees back down to the mat, and we're gonna end our program with a beautiful child pose. Slowly lower yourself down. Extend your back. Hold that for 30 seconds. With your breathing. The other way that you can also stretch your hip flexor is when you go to the edge of the bed, dangle your leg, keeping your back in neutral, and hold that also for 30 seconds. Hold. Do it 3 repetitions on each hip muscle. So that's my recommendation for today on how to strengthen and stretch your deep iliopsoas muscles to help low back pain if you have one-sided weakness and pain, or sometimes both if you have a pure pelvic tilt posture, or for those who sit all day and it gets tight. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, you can leave a message on my social media directly here on YouTube regarding this video or any future video requests. If you're new to my channel again, please subscribe, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. I upload videos about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, health, and wellness. And if you want to be part of my back masterclass that I will reopen next year, click the link on my bio so you can have an email reminders on how to join my small intimate class where I will guide you hand in hand. If you have any back pain, weakness on your umbilical hernia or core, you have pelvic floor weakness. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Until next time, bye!